Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Claude usage and find out exactly when your message limit resets using the simple methods. This is a great way to keep track of your daily text allowance on your current setup session, so you never get caught by surprise mid-sentence. Step 1. Trigger the invisible limit warning message. If you are using the free version of the tool, you need to look for the automatic warning line that pops up only when your available text numbers get low. Look closely at the text space right above your main typing box when you are nearing the end of your message allowance. Watch for a small line of text to appear on your screen canvas rows that tells you if the model is available. Because the free account layout does not feature a permanent static clock meter on your dashboard, instead, the software engine drops a notification line onto your workspace canvas only when you have used up the majority of your daily allowance. Keeping an eye on this space lets you see your limits before you try to send another long message. Step 2. Read the exact hour and minute of your clock reset. Now, if you have completely hit your limit block, you need to read the official error box to find the exact time your message counter resets to 0. Try to send your text message. When the system blocks it, look directly inside the error box that drops onto the middle of your screen layout. Locate the specific bold numbers inside that text block that state a precise time, such as your limit resets at 3:15 p.m. Because the system does not make you wait a full 24 hours to type again. Instead, it uses smaller rolling time chunks based on how busy the internet servers are. Reading this specific clock line tells you exactly how long you need to leave your computer alone before the gateway opens back up for your next project. Step 3. Check your subscription billing sheet for premium plan limits. The final step, if you pay for a premium plan, is to view your main subscription management room to check your upgraded allowance parameters. Click your profile name button again, select the row labeled Settings, slide down the menu list to click on the row that says Billing, and look at your active plan description. Review your premium account details to see your higher usage caps flat against your background view. Because paid accounts get significantly more message turns inside the computer memory cards. Checking this area confirms that your premium status is active and tracking correctly. Once you know your tier rules, your tracking setup is completely finished and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To check your Claude usage and when your limit resets, you first watch for the automatic warning line above your typing box on your screen canvas rows when your messages run low. Then, if you get blocked, you read the exact hour and minute printed inside the error message to see when your clock resets. Finally, you go into your settings and click Billing to check your premium caps if you use a paid tier. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.